Hello student, this is Smita Ghosh from Smita's Mathematica. Let's try to solve JEE Main 8 April 2019 question from Shift 1, question number 12. Let 2 into C0 to 20 plus 5 into C1 to 20 plus 8 into C2 to 20 plus up to ... 62 C20 to 20 the sum of the series is. This series is a binomial series. Therefore, sum S is equal to, at first write this series just like that. C R to N. R varies 0, 1 to up to 20 and N is 20. Now look at this. This is 2, 3, 8 up to 62. This becomes an AP and our common ratio is 3R. So this is 3R plus 2 multiplied with this. This is the, now put the sum. Sum is, and our range is R is equal to 0 to N. Is that clear? Now move on. Now crack these two terms. Just like that, 3 into R is equal to 0 to N R C N R to N plus 2 into C R to N. R is equal to 0 to N. Now, this is N times 2 to the power N minus 1. So, 3 into N into 2 to the power N minus 1. Between the ratio R is equal to 0 to N. And this is 2 into 2 to the power N. Therefore, this becomes 3, N is equal to 20 and it is 2 to the power 20 minus 1. Therefore, and it is 2 into 2 to the power 20. Therefore, it becomes 60 into 2 to the power 19 plus 2 into 2 to the power 20. Now from this 2 to the power 21 eliminated, and this is 60 into 2 to the power minus 2 plus this one is 2 to the power 21, this one is 1. As 2 is power is 1, so this becomes 2 to the power 21, 60 divided by 4 plus 1, and it is 2 to the 16. It is 15 plus 1, 16 into 2 to the power 21. Now we reached the sum of the series is 16 into 2 to the power 21, and our option is option 4. So first of all, you should figure out the summation R is equal to 0 to N, and then crack these two terms, and then putting the value of summations, and finally reach the answer. That's all.